In a world that's constantly evolving, one can hardly afford to blink for fear of missing out on the latest breakthroughs in technology. This week has been no exception, with the realm of artificial intelligence, AI proving once again that it is at the forefront of innovation. From Amazon's Alexa sounding more human-like to Microsoft and TikTok unveiling groundbreaking AI features, from Google DeepMind's AlphaFold revolutionizing biology to OpenAI's DALL-E expanding the realm of creativity, and even a quirky yet fascinating development in Japan involving an emotion-detecting AI for chickens, there's no shortage of jaw-dropping AI news. To top it all off, a recent survey conducted by EDX sheds light on how CEOs perceive AI's growing influence in the professional world. Buckle up, because we're about to dive headfirst into this week's AI-induced roller coaster of revelations. Amazon's Alexa, the evolution of a voice assistant. Let's start with Amazon's Alexa, which has been a household name since its introduction. Over the years, Alexa has become an integral part of our daily lives, assisting us with tasks ranging from setting reminders to controlling smart home devices. But this week, Alexa has undergone a transformation that's raising eyebrows and sparking excitement among AI enthusiasts. Amazon has been working tirelessly to make Alexa sound more human-like, and the results are nothing short of astonishing. Gone are the days of robotic and monotonous responses. Alexa now boasts a more natural and expressive voice. Thanks to advanced neural text-to-speech (TTS) technology, Alexa can convey emotions and nuances in a way that feels remarkably close to interacting with a real person. This evolution in Alexa's capabilities opens up new possibilities for human-AI interactions. Imagine having a conversation with your virtual assistant that feels almost indistinguishable from chatting with a friend. This breakthrough underscores the relentless pursuit of creating AI systems that can seamlessly integrate into our lives, making them more intuitive and user-friendly. TikTok and Microsoft, pioneering AI features. Moving on, TikTok and Microsoft have joined forces to introduce innovative AI features that promised to enhance user experiences on the popular social media platform. TikTok, known for its short-form video content, is leveraging Microsoft's AI technology to provide users with content recommendations that are not only personalized but also relevant and engaging. The collaboration between TikTok and Microsoft showcases the potential of AI in content curation. By analyzing user behavior, preferences, and engagement patterns, AI algorithms can suggest videos that align more closely with individual tastes, thereby keeping users hooked and scrolling for longer durations. This not only benefits users by providing them with more enjoyable content, but also boosts the platform's engagement metrics. Moreover, Microsoft is working on integrating AI-driven accessibility features into TikTok. These features aim to make the platform more inclusive by enabling users with disabilities to engage with content seamlessly. This move underscores the ethical and empathetic application of AI to address accessibility challenges and ensure that technology benefits everyone. Google DeepMind's AlphaFold, a breakthrough in biology. Meanwhile, Google DeepMind's AlphaFold has made headlines in the field of biology. AlphaFold is an AI system that predicts the 3D structures of proteins with remarkable accuracy. Why is this a game changer? Understanding the 3D structures of proteins is essential in deciphering their functions, which, in turn, is crucial for drug discovery and various biomedical applications. AlphaFold's prowess in predicting protein structures has been compared to a revolution in biology. It's expected to significantly accelerate the pace of scientific research and drug development. Scientists can now gain insights into diseases, design more effective drugs, and potentially unlock treatments for conditions that have eluded us for decades. The impact of AlphaFold extends beyond the realm of medicine. It could revolutionize various industries, from agriculture to environmental science, by enabling scientists to design proteins with specific functions tailored to their needs. This level of precision in protein engineering has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. OpenAI's DALL-E, expanding the canvas of creativity. OpenAI, the organization behind the GPT-3 language model, continues to push the boundaries of AI creativity with its latest release, DALL-E. DALL-E is an AI model that can generate images from textual descriptions. What makes it truly remarkable is its ability to create images that are not just realistic, but imaginative and surreal. Imagine describing a scene to DALL-E 3, and it brings your description to life in the form of a visually stunning image. This technology has vast applications in fields like graphic design, advertising, and entertainment. It can automate the process of generating visual content, from product illustrations to concept art for video games and movies. DALL-E 3 also raises intriguing questions about the potential for AI-generated art and its place in the creative landscape. As AI continues to blur the line between human and machine creativity, it challenges conventional notions of artistry and innovation. An emotion-detecting AI for chickens, a quirky Japanese innovation. In a quirky and unexpected development, Japan has unveiled an emotion-detecting AI system for chickens. Yes, you read that correctly. This AI, developed by a Japanese tech company, is designed to monitor the emotional well-being of chickens on poultry farms. The system uses cameras and AI algorithms to analyze the chicken's behavior, detecting signs of distress or discomfort. It can identify issues such as disease outbreaks or overcrowding, enabling farmers to take timely corrective actions. While it may sound unusual, this innovation underscores the versatility of AI in addressing diverse challenges, even those involving animal welfare. CEO Insights: AI's influence in the professional realm. Now, let's shift our focus from technology itself to how AI is perceived by those in leadership positions. A recent survey conducted by edX, an online learning platform, offers valuable insights into the perspectives of CEOs regarding AI's influence in the professional world. The survey revealed that an overwhelming majority of CEOs view AI as a critical driver of innovation and competitiveness in their industries. They recognize AI's potential to streamline operations, improve decision-making, and enhance customer experiences. Many CEOs are actively investing in AI initiatives within their organizations, ranging from automation of routine tasks to the development of AI-powered products and services. However, the survey also highlighted challenges associated with AI adoption. CEOs expressed concerns about data privacy and security, the ethical implications of AI, and the need for upskilling their workforce to harness the full potential of AI technologies. These concerns reflect the complex landscape in which AI operates, where technological advancement must be balanced with ethical considerations and human capital development. In conclusion, the AI Odyssey continues. As we reflect on this week's mind-blowing AI updates, it's clear that we're witnessing a transformative era in technology. From AI voice assistants becoming more human-like to AI-driven content curation, from protein structure prediction revolutionizing biology to AI-generated art expanding the creative horizon, and even an AI system caring for the emotions of chickens, the possibilities seem endless. AI is not just a tool, it's a catalyst for change across industries and domains. It challenges us to rethink how we interact with technology, create, and solve problems. However, it also demands a responsible and ethical approach to ensure that its benefits are accessible to all, and that its potential harms are mitigated. The edX survey serves as a reminder that AI is not just about technology, it's about people and organizations adapting to a rapidly evolving landscape. CEOs are taking the lead in recognizing AI's potential and addressing the challenges it presents. In this ongoing AI Odyssey, one thing is certain: the world is being reshaped before our eyes, and it's up to us to navigate this journey with wisdom and responsibility, ensuring that AI continues to shock us with innovations that change everything for the better.